dog.
No, ma'am.
Well, how was school?
Good.
I wonder what Mom and Dad are gonna think about you. They probably won't like you very much, but I love you. You're so pretty. Here you go. I think I found some treats for you. Here you go. Oh, there's Yummy? Yeah. You wanna stick around? I hope you do. No telling how long it's been since you've ate. You're so pretty. There you go. Yeah, eat all of it. Yeah, good girl. Good. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next couple minutes. I'll come run and check on you, okay? Please don't leave. I just gotta go eat supper. I'll be back. Okay? Oh no, she's gone. Look at she's gone. She probably went wherever she came from. Hopefully she'll come back soon.
Sparkle, it's bedtime.
Mom, I gotta tell you something.
No, it's bedtime.
Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Already. Pretty ready for school. Ready to go to school. Oh, there it is. Wrong way. Well. I wonder if she's back here. Puppy! Puppy! There you are! You're here! Hey! You came back. I thought you were gone. You're so amazing.
What's up?
Did you just talk?
Yeah.
Did you just talk?
Can I lick you?
Yeah. I mean, if you want to.
You know what? I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, I don't want to lick you. I don't even know what's been on your face. Well, oh, I'm going outside.
going?
See you later.
Oh, see you later.
Well, yeah, bye.
Oh, it's too cold outside to do anything. I wonder where she's at. I wonder if she has a name. Where did she come from and how can she talk?
What are you doing here? Oh, wait a minute. I'm supposed to. Wait, sorry. You're supposed to say.
How did you get in?
My awesomeness.
Your awesomeness?
Oh, I
What
got a
is
friend.
that
Let me just bring him in.
friend?
Come on, Duke. Hey, Duke.
Another what? Hey.
Yeah, he's crazy. Oh, wait.
Can he talk too? And why does
No,
he
he
have
can't talk.
Why does he have a collar?
Because I stole him.
You stole him?
Yeah, I stole them.
Why did you steal?
Because he wanted to be my friend, first of all. Okay, dude, go now.
What? You're so bossy. Do you
What?
have...
No. Like, look over there. He's gone now.
What are you?
A dog. A magical dog. No, I'm sorry. I mean, just a dog.
Okay. Do you have a name? Can I call you something?
What?
Bailey. You like the name?
Yeah, I like that name.